Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're gonna
What we'll do today?
we're gonna do hide and seek.
Hide and seek. How?
Daddy, you're gonna count. I'm gonna hide. You have to find me.
Okay.
Count. I will bring the video, the vlog.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
I will say it. Let's go. Then let's go.
Okay.
No. Go.
Okay. Maybe you are in the...
So, hindi ako matutulog dali.
Maybe you are in the toilet. Bakit?
Sabi ko.
Maybe in... Anywhere. Cabinet. Side cabinet. Anyway. Oh. Wala. Maybe... no. Maybe... I know where. Maybe here. In the... nothing. Maybe... under there. I found it.
I'm gonna count. You're gonna hide now, Daddy. Daddy, you're gonna hide now.
Okay, you go there. Ba't mo binalik sa akin?
Count here.
Okay, ako naman ito mag-hide. Oh. Okay. Go. Kuyari, naghanap din siya. Lumabas siya, ayun.
Be quiet, I can hear you.
Siya, pakinig ako. Hindi niya ako kita, pero pakinig niya ako.
Are you done? Are you done?
Kuyari, din yun.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done, Daddy? You want to begin if I say that. Are you done?
Yes.
He's done. Wait, ano to? Di ba hindi lang?
Very easy naman.
Okay guys, I'm gonna hide now.
Okay, done na. Enough na.
Ooh.
Too much time na.
We're gonna...
Guys, subscribe.
Okay guys, it's the last part. I'm gonna hide now. Bye. Okay guys, ready? Close your eyes. Ate, sabihin mo, ready na ako. Guys, go and subscribe because the video got cut, so we're done.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Later again.
Bye-bye.